you guys are not aware, Jussie Smollett, obviously he did the whole, this is, we got attacked by guys, this is MAGA country. And if you guys remember, he is the lead actor for Empire. He had his whole court case for when he lied about being attacked as part of a hate crime and got the police all fired up and had them searching all over the place. He went to trial back in 2022, and this was him at his sentencing.
No, I would just like to say to Your Honor that I am not suicidal.
And this is after he gets sentenced to 5 months in jail.
I am innocent, and I am not suicidal. If I did this, then it means that I stuck my fist in the fears of Black Americans in this country for over 400 years and the fears of the LGBTQ community. Your Honor, I respect you and I respect the jury, but I did not do this. And I am not suicidal. And if anything happens to me when I go in there, I did not do it to myself. And you must all know that. I respect you, Your Honor. I respect your decision. Jail time.
Except he did shove his fist in the face of the entire Black community. And then as he got let out again, this is him, once again, being an idiot.
Sheriff, court is adjourned.
I am not suicidal. I am not suicidal. And I am innocent. I could have said that I was guilty a long time ago.
Now, one might argue that's a statement against interest right there. Yeah, an admission. I could have said I was guilty a long time ago. But he's an idiot, so it's hard to tell what he really means. But that's him getting hauled off. So Jussie Smollett did appeal all these issues, and the Court of Appeals released its ruling today. This is from the Illinois Supreme Court. But the long and the short of it is, the previous agreement made by Kim Foxx, the state's attorney for Cook County, Illinois, even though it might have been corrupt and wholly improper, the state was bound to honor agreements which people have relied. They cite the Cosby case, the Bill Cosby case. And if you remember, Bill Cosby was promised by the prosecutor, if you go testify in the civil trial, we promise we can't prosecute you. And what do? They turn around and prosecuted him. So his case got overturned and reversed. Jussie Smollett's likewise got overturned. And they say society holds a strong interest in the prosecution of crimes. Yes. But no such interest ever can eclipse society's interest in ensuring that the rights of people are vindicated. You can't violate the principles of fairness. Now, I do like how they say this would be antithetical and corrosive to the integrity and functionality of the criminal justice system we strive to maintain. There's a lot of corrosive integrity and functionality issues that plague the criminal justice system anyway. But the argument is the state must be held to its bond. And they reverse the judgment of the appellate court. They reverse the judgment of the trial court. And the case gets remanded with directions for the circuit court, the trial court, to enter judgment of dismissal. The judgment is reversed. Now, ultimately, why did they do this? Well, for Jussie, the idea was because he had already paid the $10,000 bond to the city, and he did his 15 hours of community service, which that's all he had to do, 15 hours. 15 hours, that's it. And they agreed to dismiss the case, and they considered it a complete ending. It was over. So the second time through, that was in violation. They didn't even get to double jeopardy, but a written promise, a contract. You do X, we'll do Y. And then the state breached that contract by going back on it. Well, at that point, Jussie had already performed. It was too late. Jussie Smollett had made a detrimental reliance on the assurances and offer made by the state of Illinois, and he accepted it. So now you're bound by that contract. So that's what happened, and that's why he gets out. Remember, chat, you may not like him, but that's where, if they don't protect him, they certainly won't protect you. In Brady v. Maryland, Brady was a man accused of murder. Like, none of these people are good people. It's not soccer moms who make case law. Now, I will point out for Jussie Smollett, his career is over. He hasn't really had anything to Empire. He's been turned into a laughingstock. Yeah, he's done. While Jussie Smollett has not served any jail time, society has certainly punished him. And sometimes that's more effective because that punishment will last forever, and it can last as long as society wants and can be as harmful as society wants. Society can just basically never want him in any production of anything ever again and make him a broke guy working, on a street corner. Windexing cars, car windshields. So in his situation, what's happened to him since then has been pretty rough. So I think at the end of the day, we got the last laugh. He really didn't here. I mean, certainly, does he deserve to go to jail? Yes, but it can't happen now. Sometimes the bad guys win, and sometimes the good guys lose. That does happen. It's not fun. It's not something you should ever want to see happen. But shit happens, guys. I mean, it sucks.